So, first of all, I want to ask everyone, how do you all go to school? I know your answers are like by walk, by school bus, by van, or parents may drop and pick up by either two wheelers or four wheelers. So, children, in first picture, you are seeing that some students are going to school by bus, and in second picture some students are going through school van, and in third picture they are going through a bike or a car. Okay, now just let us think, my dear students, how do other children go to school in other states of our country? Okay, just look at the picture. What is it? Yes, it is the map of India. Now, as all of you know that in our country there are 29 states and that all are different to each other. Okay, for example, the Himalayan mountains, plains, desert, plateau, islands, right? What if a river, mountains, desert comes in the way of the school? So let us try to find out the answer of these questions. So that let us meet some children and see how they reach school. Here, first picture is of Assam. As you can see in the map, the red colored area, it is Assam and it is located in the northeast of India. Right. Now in this first picture, the students are crossing the bamboo bridge and seeing it rains so much where we live. Sometimes after the rain, there is knee-high water everywhere. But that does not stop us from getting to school. We hold our books in one hand and bamboo with other hand. We quickly cross the bamboo and rope bridge to reach school. So children, let us understand first what is a bridge. A bridge is a structure that connects two places, means when we are unable to cross from one place to another, a bridge is built to connect both the places. Okay. Now as per children are saying that it rains too much in Assam, and because of that there is knee high water, means water reaches up to their knees. So here children use this bamboo bridge to go from one side to the another side. That's why you can see this type of bamboo bridges almost everywhere in Assam. Now bamboo is the tallest grass and it is strong too. That's why bamboos are used to make bridges in Assam. Here in this picture also some children are crossing bamboo bridge to go to school. Now children, let us go towards the mountains. The trolley in Ladakh. Here in the map of India, that red colored area is Ladakh and it is located in the north of India, in Jammu and Kashmir. Here the children of Ladakh are saying every day we have to cross the river to go to school. The river is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope across the river. On both the sides, it is tied tightly with strong trees or rocks. There is a trolley, means an open box made by wood that is attached with the rope. Now here in this picture we can see one boy is trying to sit in this trolley. 4 or 5 out of us sit in the trolley. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. With the help of pulley, trolley moves easily on iron rope and they reach the other side of the river in a short time. Now understand children, here in hilly areas where it is difficult to build bridges, trolley is used to cross from one place to another place. In another picture, you can see that a man who is sitting in this type of trolley. And one more picture is there in which you can see how trolley can move on ropes. This is the picture of ropeway. Now my dear students, if you have listened me properly, then you must have heard the word pulley. Now let us understand what is pulley and why it is used in trolley. Now children, let us try to understand about pulley. Look at this picture. In this, a boy is lifting a heavy box very easily because he is using a pulley. Now, definition of pulley is, it is a type of instrument which helps to pull something very easily. Pulley is a circle type instrument in which both the sides have a thread or a rope. Now let us do one activity. Observe pictures 1 and 2. In the pictures, children are pulling the buckets from the well. Can you tell the difference in both the pictures? Which would be easier, using the pulley or not using it to lift things? Just look these two pictures carefully. In first picture you are seeing that a boy is pulling out the rope of bucket with his hands. And in second picture, a boy is using a pulley in which one side there is a bucket and the other side there is a rope, and the boy is pulling that rope. So just think which would be easier, picture 1 or 2. So answer is it would be easy in second picture, because as we learned, with the help of pulley one can lift heavy load very easily. Now let us go to the next type of bridge, that is cement bridge. Here the children are saying that we often need to across some water bodies. So we use bridges, means when they have to cross river or any canals, at that time they use cement bridges. These are made of cement, bricks and iron rods. The bridge may also have steps. So children, we can see this type of bridges everywhere, right? It is very common. Now you know what are the advantages of cement bridges. A cement bridge is made up of cement and iron rods, whereas a bamboo bridge is made up of bamboo and ropes. Cement bridge is wide, strong and durable compared to a bamboo bridge. Here you can see some more pictures of cement bridges. Now let us go to Kerala. We can see in map Kerala is located in south of India. Means at the bottom of India. You can see Kerala in the map of India in this picture. Here in some part of Kerala, children use a vellam, means a small wooden boat, to reach school. Now my dear students, just observe the shape of a boat. Yes, it is like a snake. So, vellam is small and long boat. It is also called a snake boat because of its shape. Let's go to Rajasthan. Rajasthan is located in the northwestern part of the India. Here in India's map we can see Rajasthan, this yellow colored area. So students, let us hear what children of Rajasthan are saying. We live in the desert. There is sand all around. It gets very hot in the day. We ride in a camel cart to reach school. Now listen carefully. Rajasthan is a place where you can find only sand everywhere, and there is very less water and trees. But the children who lives there, they have to go school every day. So they use camel cart to go to school. You know children, they cannot use any other transportation like bike, motor car, scooter, etc. because of sand. But the camel is the only animal it can walk on sand very easily. So, in Rajasthan, camel is our friend. Now, children, let us solve some exercise. Question 1. Collect some bricks. Lay them on the ground as shown in the picture. Try walking on them. Was it easy? Here answer is yes. First, let us understand the question. Collect some bricks and arrange them on the ground in a line as shown in picture. Now try walking on them. Is easy for you or not? Answer is perhaps some children may feel it is easy or some children may feel somehow tough. You can write any answer what you feel. Question 2. Make a small bridge by tying together 4 or 5 bamboo poles. Ask your teacher to help you. Now walk on your bridge. How did you feel? Do you fall down? Did you fall down? If you walk like this a few times, you will start finding it easy. Here answer is, at first I found it difficult to walk. Later it become easy. Okay, now let us understand question 2. That is, you have to make a small bridge by tying 4 or 5 bamboo poles together and then walk on it. Answer is, whenever we do a new thing, we feel that it is difficult. But when we start doing it frequently, it will become easier to us. Question 3. Do you think it would be easier to walk on this type of bridge in bare feet or with shoes or with slippers? Why? Here answer is, it is easier to walk on this type of bridge with bare feet. It has more grip with toes. Yes, because if we walk on this bridge with bare feet, there would be less chance of slip. Question 4. Could you tell the difference in both the pictures? Which would be easier, using pulley or without it? Here answer is, the first boy is pulling out bucket with bare hands. The second boy is using a pulley. So pulley makes it easier. Yes, because we have just learned that with the use of pulley, we can lift heavy load easily. Question 5. Look around you. Where all do you see the use of pulley? List them. Answer is, in lifting heavy loads. Second is hoisting flags, etc. Yes, children, you must have observed at the time of 15th August and 26th January, someone pulling the rope of flag with the help of pulley. Next is cement bridge. Question 1 is, how is cement bridge different from a bamboo bridge? Yes, here question 1 is not written, but I am speaking question 1. How is cement bridge different from a bamboo bridge? This is the picture of cement bridge. Answer is cement bridge is wide and stable. Yes, because on cement bridge we can walk easily and it is made of cements, bricks and iron rods. That's why it is strong and safe. Question 2. How many people do you think can cross the bridge at one time? Answer is about 20. Here you can write your answer also. Question 3. If you had a chance, which bridge would you like to use? Why? I would like to use cement bridge because it is easier to walk and safe also. Yes, because on cement bridge we can walk easily and it is made of cements, bricks and iron rods. That's why it is strong, safe, durable. Okay. Question 4. Do you have to cross any bridge on the way to your school? If yes, what is the bridge like? Answer is I have to cross a cement bridge. Here also you can write your own answer. Question 5. Find out from your grandparents what kind of bridge were there when they were young. Answer is at that time there were only bamboo and wooden bridges. Now next question is there any bridges near your house? Find out more about the bridge. Where is the bridge over water? Over a road? Between two mountains? Of anywhere or any else? Here answer is it is over water. Here also you can write your own answer. Question 2. Who all use the bridge? Is it by people, on foot, or also vehicles and animals? Answer is it is used by all. Yes, all can use bridges. Question 3. Find out what materials are used in making this bridge. List them. Answer is in making cement bridge, cement, iron rod, sand brick, small stones are used. Question 4. Draw a picture of the bridge. Yes, here first question is draw a picture of the bridge. Here you can draw any easy picture of the cement bridge or any bridge. Question 5 is imagine what difficulties we would face if the bridge were not there. Just imagine that if the bridge were not there, then what would happen? Answer is people will not be able to cross rivers or drains easily. Okay, they cannot cross rivers and drains without the help of bridge. They will have to use boats. Okay, no option, they have to use any other boats. Now vellum. Here question that are based on vellum. Question 1. Have you ever seen any other kind of boats? Here answer is yes, I have seen larger boats with small rooms. Here you can write any answer of your own. Question 2. Can you think of other ways by which we can travel on water? Here answer is there are big boats like steamer, etc. Now next is questions based on camel cart. Question 1 is have you ever sat in a camel cart or horse carriage means tanga? Where did you climb on it yourself or did someone help you? Here answer is yes, I sat on whether camel cart or horse carriage, that is tanga. You can write any answer of your own. And the tanga wala helped me. Question 2. How did you feel riding in the cart? Answer is it is a bit shaky. Shaky means our body move here and there when we sit in a cart. Still I liked it. Still I like it. I like to ride in cart. Thank you my dear students. Stay home, stay safe.